Hey guys, so I found a way you can mint very cheap on the ZORA network. Shout out to CryptoCo for showing this way you can mint for basically less than $0.02 because the average mint on the ZORA network is around $2. And right here, you can mint 100 plus NFTs for $2, which is like 100 times cheaper than the average ZORA mint. So shout out to CryptoCo. The first thing you will have to do is go on the DEX screener right here and buy some Degen coins. You press right here, trade on Uniswap. And here it will open the Uniswap on the base network. So let's connect my MetaMask and switch to base right here. It will automatically open you the Degen and Ethereum swap. So right here you can see I have already 108 Degen. How much is it worth in dollars? Let's see. So it costs $3.69 and I will be able to mint 108 NFTs. And the fee will be around probably 2 cents or something like that. So that's really insane. And I want to show you that it's really important to max mint on ZORA. I wouldn't be surprised if one of the way you can qualify for bigger airdrop on the ZORA network and get bigger airdrop allocation is if you do these max mints. And what that means is that you mint the same NFT, for example, 100 times, 50 times, or 200 times as much as possible, because they are mentioning this phrase max mint quite often. And for example, these 111 mints would cost you around $200. And right now, I will show you how you can mint 100 plus NFTs for $2. So the first thing you do is spend around $4 to buy this Degen. You will get around 150 Degen tokens and click on the link. The link will be in my bio as well in the description. So here is the NFT, the Degen Zorb NFT. And what you will do is press mint, choose custom. And for example, I will choose 101. So right here you can see my balance is 108 Degen. I will mint 101 Degen, which means I will spend 101 Degen coin. So you just approve. And right here you will see how small is the gas fee. So the gas fee is 8 cents. And that's basically it. I'm max minting this Degen Zorb NFT. And I want to remind you that they raised $60 million. So the valuation could be around 500 million or even $1 billion market cap. So I basically max minted this collection for around $3. This is the cheapest way you can get max mint transactions, because usually they cost around $200, $300, because one NFT costs around $2. So if you want max mint 100 NFTs, you will have to spend $200. And right here, you can see that it's approved. Again, thanks to the CryptoCo for showing this. I hope this will help me and help you if you use it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.